Besthane Soft Polyurethane Wheels from Blickla. Discover our line of Besthane Soft Polyurethane Wheels. This caster wheel series features a high-quality polyurethane elastomer tread, cast onto a durable die-cast aluminum center, or a nylon center for the POBS series. These wheels boast impressive hardness up to 75 Shore A, offering excellent operational comfort and low rolling resistance. Ideal for uneven surfaces, they also perform well at speeds up to 10 miles per hour, ensuring low noise levels and floor preservation. These wheels are also highly abrasion and oil resistant. For heavy-duty applications where comfort matters, the Besthane Soft Polyurethane Wheel Series is your best choice. Search for the following SKU codes when shopping on Behrane's e-commerce site to find casters with Besthane Soft Polyurethane Wheels. Want to learn more? Visit behraneeq.com.